Hey guys, what is up? It is Draven, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a soothing sunburn cream. I had a really bad sunburn. Maybe if I'll put a picture up here of my sunburn. It was horrible. Okay, we didn't bring umbrella to the beach because we were dumb and we didn't plan ahead. And yeah, so I was sitting in the sun pretty much all day. So even though I was wearing sunscreen, I kept reapplying it, and I still got burned. So you need to stay out of direct sunlight, otherwise you're gonna get ugly burns like me. But luckily it didn't peel. I made this cream pretty much the next day or the same night, I think I made it the same night, I don't remember, when I came home from the beach, and I had been applying this every day pretty much when I wake up or whenever it started burning, and then right before going to bed. I noticed sometimes my burns would kind of they would start getting really hot, and it would just didn't feel good, and I would just put this cream on and rub it, just put it on me and whatever, and it pretty much instantly it would pretty much go away. So that's what I really like about this cream. It was really soothing. I mean, of course you could just use the after sun aloe thing. I mean, that's why I put it in here too, so you'll see. But I think this helps a lot, and also helps with peeling. My skin really didn't peel. It peeled a little bit, but that's when I was out exposed to the sun is when it started peeling. So you guys you gotta avoid being out in the sun when you're healing. So yeah, I was wearing a tank top out in the sun. That was not a good idea, and I started peeling. So, but this, I mean, when you use this, you really don't peel. So. Okay, so let's get into making the cream. It's very easy to make, and I'll tell you how to make it. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need a really large mixing bowl. It doesn't have to be too big, but you're going to need it to be pretty big. And then you're going to need a half cup of solid organic coconut oil. Make sure it's organic, and it should be good for the skin. You also then need a 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. You're going to need 4 drops of lavender therapeutic grade essential oil. And I didn't have this on hand, but you also need 4 drops of peppermint therapeutic grade essential oil as well. Okay, so once you've added all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl, you're gonna need to get a little mixer thing, and just mix it until it's like a whipped cream consistency. And apparently you're not supposed to add the essential oils until after mixing everything, but I think I accidentally added essential oil in because I didn't really read the directions before doing it. And then once it's done, you just throw it in a little jar. You can use it, you can throw it in whatever container you have, or even if you want to be fancy, you can use a mason jar. And of course, that is it for the cream, so make sure you guys enjoy it. I think it smells really good too, and I bet it would smell even more awesome peppermint oil, but unfortunately I don't have any. So then it was late at night when I was making this, so I was like, there's no way any stores open or now that's gonna sell it, so But I love the smell of it. Also, I think it really did help my burn a lot. So yeah, I think you guys should definitely try this out. Definitely make some, especially right now it's summer, so make some, just in case you get burned or whatever. You can always have this in hand, and it can last for a pretty good while. I think up to a year, I believe. So I have to make sure you just have this on hand. And I'm not sure if you can put this in the refrigerator. I put mine in the freezer just to cool it down a little bit after making it to make it more of a cooler cream, but the problem was I did it and sent it back, and the coconut oil kind of solidified, so I'm not sure if that's a good idea. I haven't tried putting it in the fridge, but it might do the same thing because coconut oil, turns into solid if it's too cold. So yeah, so maybe don't do that. I don't know, you can always test it out, but it thaws out after a while or whatever. It's kind of back to a whipped consistency again. So yeah, and I'm sorry about the background noise. So that's it for this video. So stay safe, you guys. Stay out of the sun as much as you can. But if you do, make sure you make this cream. I think it really does help. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Also be sure to follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!